Hi, I'm Paula Doyle, and today I'm going to show you how to do machine Boro using bits of blue jeans. But I'm also left at the end of the day with lots of little leftover bits of jeans, and I want to be able to use those too. So the thing I do with those is that I put them all. And I can use everything. I can use pockets from the jeans like that one. And I'm going to take all of those bits. So I've used that here, for example, on the back of these cushions. I've also recycled a shirt for the placket, so that's the buttons of the shirt, that's a pocket of the shirt, and you see there's a jeans pocket, so you can make that on the back side of the cushion and make it a really nice usable cushion for your living room.